Here we have an HP Spectre laptop that came in for repair, and this one is the jewel cut or the diamond cut. I like to call it the diamond cut. Let me show you the difference quick. I have two HP Spectres right next to me. This is the regular one, the one with the 90-degree angled corner. Looks something like this. It comes in 13-inch and 15-inch, and we see a lot of issues with those for the 15-inch. The diamond cut looks something like this with the angled corner. It's cut. Looks like a diamond on the corner. And those laptops, we see more issues with them than we do with 4090s. 4090s video cards. I told you last time that we fix 3 to 5 video cards a day, 3 to 5 4090s video cards a day. And I think for those laptops, we do more. We get more of those in than we do with 4090s. Now, I already have the motherboard right in front of me, and I also grabbed a donor board in case we need to use it for parts. And to cut to the chase, I think I know what the problem is. Before we start the video, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is a China Shenzhen-based PCB manufacturer and printed circuit board assembler with more than a decade in the field of PCB prototype and fabrication. They offer a wide variety of services, including 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and much more. PCBWay is committed to meeting all your PCB needs. They offer quality, on-time delivery, and competitive pricing. 1 to 2 layer boards starts at $5 with 24 hours turnaround. Get an instant quote by visiting PCBWay.com or click on the link below and make sure to check them out. I did a quick visual inspection. I was not recording at first, and then I thought, why not record? Let's record the video and see what's going on. This may or may not fix the problem, or this may or may not be the problem, but I noticed right under this plastic shield that we have burn marks right here. Just doing a quick visual inspection. As soon as Big Boss removed the motherboard, he noticed burn marks right there. So let's see what's going on. Remove this wrap, and it's obvious that we have a problem here. What caused the problem? I don't know. Maybe if I meet a psychic one day, I'll ask him what caused this problem, and maybe he can tell us. But right now, I do not know what caused it. What we can do is a quick measurement. Let's measure between source and gate. And we have a short between source and gate. We have a short here also. What about those? We do not have a short. And we do not have a short, so we're going to assume that those are good. Those two are not measuring good, and if we do it here, we have a short and we have a short, and those two may be shorting out because of those. We're gonna have to find out. Let me grab the donor board quick, since I have one right in front of me, and let's measure those MOSFETs, see what we get, and then we can compare. Do we have a short from here? From gate to source, source to gate? We do not. We do not. We do not. And we do not. You see? Hopefully that's the only problem with the board. Because honestly, a burn mark like this, I do not want to go into a rabbit hole. We're going to remove both MOSFETs. And where's my fume extractor? Because I'm sure this will smell like fireworks once we apply hot air onto it. Now, we do not know if those MOSFETs are stuck on the board. They may have molded themselves onto the layer of the board. We can tell that the board is crispy from here, like fried chicken. Right now we are at 450 degrees Celsius with constant heat being applied to that MOSFET, and I'm not able to remove it. Working with chicken is difficult. What should we do? You see how solder liquefied? But those MOSFETs, they molded themselves onto the board. Okay, it's not working. Huh. Our UPS driver just came in and brought those in. Why? Because he brought us a laptop yesterday that he had in the closet for 2 years, and nobody was able to fix his laptop. It's a Lenovo Yoga. I told him to bring it in, and we fixed it. We gave it back to him the next day, and we did not charge him because he's our UPS driver. He takes care of us, and we take care of him. So today he brought those in. Very nice of him. Look at what happened here from a lot of heat. We applied a lot of heat, and those MOSFETs are not coming off. What can you do? We're gonna try low melt solder and see if that helps. See, look, look. What a mess. Look at how the board scratched because it's fried. Nice and crispy. Let's apply hot air one more time. I think we're gonna end up ripping the drain layer. No way around it. And I'm starting to feel like we should not fix this board, because that's not a practical repair. Yeah, I'll be right there. We have a customer waiting. Today, customers are non-stop. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Not sure if I'm gonna continue this video or this repair, but I'll post it anyway. Just a minute. Oh, Starlink. Is it the same problem that we did on YouTube?
Yeah,
It ripped? Let's see. Okay.
I know.
You have the connector?
Yeah, but I don't think it's any good.
But I do see.
All the voids are.
Right.
Those are still on the board itself, and one of them broke.
Look at this Hiroshima. We can clean all of that, no problem, but I want to be able to remove those MOSFETs, and I'm not able to. Right now, the way I see it, we're gonna knock off every component on the board from excessive heat, and we're not going to be able to remove those MOSFETs. If we do remove them, we're going to rip layers of the board. Is this a practical repair? No. I'm going to give this one last try, and then we're just going to call it a no fix if I'm not able to remove those. I have a video I posted in the past, same issue, and we had to rip the trace. You see, look. You see, the bottom trace ripped. Look at this guy. He just want to escape to the ninth dimension. He's probably saying to himself, what is this, hell? A lot of heat. Yeah, we're not going to be able to remove this guy unless we break this whole trace. Look at this. And we have a pad here. So we have multiple traces on this layer. Just not a practical repair. Even if we fix it, how reliable is it? Will it break again? Will that even fix the problem? Do we have other issues with the board? Are we gonna cut that layer and then figure out what traces are missing and do all that unpractical work, not knowing if that board will end up working or not? That's one scenario where we just call it off and deem it a no fix. This component escaped to the ninth dimension, no problem, we can always grab another one, but we're gonna call it off for this repair. That's it, I'm gonna still upload the video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was deemed a no fix. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.